Hey, Dr. Drainage here. Today we're going to talk about the NDS standard valve box. This valve box can be used for multiple irrigation control valves or a variety of other applications. It comes in black, green, sand, or purple for reclaimed water. Has different markings: irrigation control valve, water, sewer, electric, or reclaimed water. It can be purchased with or without a bolt for added security. The lid is designed to stay in place even without the bolt. The lid has structural ribs so it can support the weight of a riding lawnmower. The box is 14 inches by 19 inches and is structurally reinforced to prevent it from collapsing. Has an oversized bottom flange to prevent it from sinking after installation, and the bottom flange can be cut for making an easier installation. For more information on our other valve boxes, visit our website at ndspro.com. I'm Dr. Drainage. Talk to you later.